Hey guys, this is SJ back with another video. So today I'm just going to be doing kind of an update video towards the server right now and how everything is going, and basically just where I'm at right now with everything. So go ahead and get started. So as you can see, I got two new switches that are going to be added to here. I kind of want to basically add all of these. I want to have all these connected without using the Ethernet cords. I'm gonna see if I can find anything about that. Probably using the SFP ports and trying to figure that out. But yeah, I'm gonna see if I can kind of figure out how to do that, or if I can even. But yeah, here are the servers. These servers right here are all connected. Well, these 4 servers are connected to here and to the server, to the switch right here. Bottom port, this is what is this? This white one goes to this firewall, the Netgear firewall, and the gray one goes to this firewall. So the problem that I have with all this right now is that I have 2 firewalls right now, which I don't really want. I want to drop down, so I want to take this out and take this out and basically use a firewall to basically go over everything and use that instead of using 2. So what I'll be doing is I will be putting the firebox up here, and after I do that, I'm gonna take out this SonicWall firewall and put it in the firebox, and then I'm gonna take out this firewall and just be done with it. This Netgear firewall and just be done with it. I won't need to use it anymore. I just use the firebox for this up here, and yeah. And after that, which should be good, I'm going to, once this is out, I'm going to take this PDU and drop it down 1U, and the same with this this brush thing. It's gonna go down 1U, and the servers are gonna go down 1U as well. So actually, I'm just gonna take this one and drop it down here, pull the rails off and put it down here, and then after that, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to put another server right here, but it's going to be for the router. So I'm no longer going to use this for the router. I'm going to turn this back into a server. I'm thinking about either Linux or Windows, one of the two. I'm not sure yet. I'm not set on anything yet, but I'll figure it out. But I'll use this as just another server again, and I'll get the it'll be a PowerEdge as well, on R720 or R710, something like that. And I'm gonna put it up here and use that. After that, I'll be done with all the networking and the server stuff. Everything else that I'm going to be using is going to be storage, data storage. So right now, just today, I got everything in. All of my hard drives are in now. Everything is here. The only hard drives that aren't in are from 2 all the way down to 23. So I got to get 21 more drives, which is going to be a pain in the ass, so I got to figure that out. But I'm going to get another storage array, put it down here. I'm going to put 2, so 1 here. I was kind of trying to see how much space is going to be left over. So I was thinking about maybe one going right here. So I was looking at it and I was like kind of measuring it, I guess, using this going here and then here. You know, I was like, well, it's not that much space left over. So I was thinking maybe I could use I could give it some space. So drop some, instead of doing it how it is now, I'll basically drop everything down and basically see where everything's going to be at. So I'll drop all this down and see where everything's going to be lined up at. Hopefully it's all going to be just lined up perfectly and there won't be any problems with it. Yeah. So it's going to be 2 storage arrays. One is going to be fully managed. The other one is just going to be the disk, a disk drive. That's all it is. And then I'm going to have a 1U server or storage server that's gonna sit right here, and that should be it. After that, I'll be done with all the storage stuff and the server will be complete. Then I can start working on hosting and data processing and all that other stuff, all that jazz. And I can pretty much just start my project, which I've been wanting to work on for the longest time. So, but yeah, this has pretty much been an update video on what's going on with the server. Besides these two, I still have to get this one online, this one working. I've ordered the brackets for it here for it, so I can screw these in, I can use it. And yeah, right now it's just a work in progress, and sooner or later you guys will see a better video of it. And I'm thinking about pulling all this stuff out and getting the actual rack for this. Not sure yet. Until then, I'm pretty much just kind of gonna figure it out, see if I can kind of find something. But right now we're just kind of stuck with this bad boy, and we're gonna use it from now on until we get a new one. But that's pretty much it, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you didn't like the video. Dislike it, tell me where I can improve. That's it. I love you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.